beautiful humans, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today I am back filming, and I'm trying to think, when is the last time I sat down and filmed a video? Honestly, it would have to be like early March, and it's now early April, so it's been a hot little minute, but we're back at it. And today I'm coming back at you guys with another wig review. So I have installed this beautiful unit here from Yolissa Hair. They were kind enough to send over this beautiful closure wig for you guys, or for me to try for you guys. So let's get started with the install. Make sure you guys, if you aren't already, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video and comment, and let's get started with the installation process. So guys, I'm installing this wig straight out of the package today. As you can see, this is a closure wig. We're not working with the frontal, and yes, I love a good closure. They're just easier to install. They take less time. They still look realistic, just like a frontal would, and it's just giving. It's just still going to give the same. So the inside of the unit has some combs on the side in case you want to use that for your secure needs, and then it also has an elastic band in the inside with some adjustable straps. I'm going to use the elastic band, and that's the only thing I'm using. I am wearing this wig totally glueless today. No glue, no holding spray, nothing whatsoever, and this wig feels snug, okay? It is not moving, it is not budging. If you're in the big headed area, this wig is going to fit your head perfect. So love that for us. And if you are on the smaller headed side, it has adjustment needs, so you can make it fit how you need it to fit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this lace off with my comb, with my scissors and with my razor, just to make sure we have that jagged cut so it can really melt into the skin how we want it to. At first I thought I was going to do it like a free parting situation. I was just going to comb it over and just kind of let it do what it wants, but then I was like, you know what, let's give it like a parting space. So I did move the part from the middle to my right side, and I kind of gave it a little bit of a curve. We're not doing any baby hairs today, but as I was getting ready to style it, I noticed that it did need just a little bit of attention to the hairline. Now don't get me wrong, the hairline is pre-plucked and you can wear it just like that. You definitely can, but I just wanted to customize mine more, a little bit to my liking, so I plucked her. I plucked her out. Y'all gonna see this process in just a second. You will see exactly how much I plucked out.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, hide and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one really is a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a girl mission. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
I think it looks good. So this is like my ending plucking technique. I definitely gave myself a lot of scalp exposure. You don't have to go this deep if you don't want to, but that's what I was feeling. Okay, so this is what that ending process of it being plucked looks like. Then I'm just going hands on real heavy with my hot comb because I want to make sure that I get the roots really flat. Having a flat wig really makes it look more realistic. I know that it is more work, especially with the hot comb and trying to make sure you get it really flat. You want to take it in sections, and it takes a little bit more time with the hot comb, but I promise, like, the results are so worth it because it looks really natural after you get it really flat. And since the wig came with some beautiful curls, I'm just going to leave the curls how they are, brush them out a little bit. Of course, you could just zhuzh them up if you want, but I just really like how this looks. It looks carefree. It looks like not so perfect, and I think it's giving. I really do. I really like this unit. I think it's very beginner friendly because it's one of those wigs that you can legit wear straight out of the pack if you want to, but me being me, I did more to it just because I wanted to. So, but you don't have to do that. But you guys let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts. Yolissa Hair, I love it. 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.